This is John VM13 and I'm going to show you I'm going to give you a video of this old Farmall 300. Now I don't know very much about these tractors. All as I know that they're hard to come by. You have to excuse me, I am in a bit of a tight situation. But this tractor is called what we call Albert. Yeah, it's an antique tractor, I know. I have no clue what year it is, 50s, 40s, probably early 50s. But I'm not going to get running, considering I do not own this tractor. My great uncles. So it's not too bad. As far as I know, it's all original except for the tires. Back tires are a little different. This isn't very good. This isn't a very I can't speak today. This ain't a very good video of this tractor though, but one of these days, I don't know when, but I'm gonna get it out and probably get it running. Yep. It's got a bucket on it, a lift, which is kind of rare. If I had the money, I'd buy this thing in a heartbeat. Runs good. Ooh, this is creepy. Just anybody don't know, I'm in the famous Atkinson sawmill. That's right, I'm in a sawmill. Well, since I'm here, I want to show you how many sawmills do you see that run off an old truck? Not very many. No, not very many of them. It's got, from what I can see, it's a 4-speed. I'm thinking the engine. Thinking that the engine is a 350 Chevy. It runs, starts up easy, but I'm not going to start it. So basically, this is the old Atkinson sawmill. I heard that. No, I didn't hear about this. Give me a second now. Back when I was in grade 1, Red Green did one of his episodes here in the sawmill. I'm not joking about this. I actually got his autograph. I lived right beside the sawmill at the time, which my grandmother lives beside this place. Her name is Noreen Atkinson. My great uncle is Ira Atkinson, so that's where it gets the name Atkinson Sawmill. So this sawmill's been closed up for years. Still runs from time to time. But yeah, this is old Albert. An old antique Farmall 300. What does that say? O'Neill's, Binbrook, Ontario. That's rare. Yeah. This is one antique tractor. All rusted up. There you go. That's old Albert for you. John VM13. I'm signing off. Take care.